Tap the settings. Then tap the alarm chime. A press of its original chime. Alarm chime is selectable as your favorite. Press the panic button to trigger the alarm. Set the chime for the list SOS button in the same way. Select another chime for it. Press to trigger and confirm the chime. Press again to trigger the alarm. Setup successful. Trigger both buttons. Different chime sounds based on your selection. 5 adjustable volume levels.